We have a Hunter Ridgeline ceiling fan. It's a common issue I've came across that you hit the switch and the lights won't come on. Obviously there's no light bulbs in there at the moment, but it's a common issue where all the bulbs will blow at once. The wattage regulator needs to be taken out. So the best way to go about that is to loosen the screw here, and then take the screw out there, which I already did. All right, well, from there, take it down. You need to unclip it here. Once you get that down, you're looking for a little bundle, the pink wire right there, and then that plastic piece right there is the wattage regulator. So grab a knife or scissors or something where you can cut this zip tie without hurting the wire. Okay. Grab that wattage regulator and there's the wattage regulator, and it goes right there. So all you do is remove this and remove that one, and then you put those two together. So let me see if I can do it here one-handed kind of. So I'm going to pull that one off right there, pulled that off right there, pull this other side off, and then you just plug these two together.